Have you ever wanted to bring a little Disney magic into your Halloween decor? What if I told you that you can transform simple pumpkins into your favorite Disney characters with just a few easy steps? Whether you're a Disney fan or just looking to add some creativity to your Halloween, you're in the right place. Let's explore some enchanting Disney pumpkin painting ideas that will make your home feel like you're living in the magical kingdom. What are some simple Disney pumpkin painting ideas for beginners? Disney has a vast universe of characters, but don't worry, there are plenty of beginner-friendly options to start with. Let's begin with some easy designs that anyone can try, even if you're not an experienced artist. Mickey Mouse Pumpkin. Start with the iconic Mickey Mouse. Paint the pumpkin in black for the ears, add a red stripe in the middle, and finish it with 2 white dots to resemble his classic shorts. Olaf from Frozen. For an adorable snowman pumpkin, go with Olaf. Paint your pumpkin white, add googly eyes, and create his carrot nose using orange paint. For the finishing touch, draw his toothy smile. Pooh Bear. Transform your pumpkin into the lovable Pooh Bear by painting it yellow. Add black dots for the eyes and red for his famous shirt. Don't forget to paint on his sweet smile. Like this content? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends to spread the magic. How can I add more detail to Disney pumpkin painting? If you're feeling confident, why not add more intricate details to your Disney-themed pumpkins? Here are a few ways to elevate your pumpkin painting game. Incorporating 3D elements. Add some 3D features to your pumpkins, like using foam for Mickey's ears or artificial leaves for Elsa's crown. It gives the pumpkin an extra layer of charm and character. Shading and highlights. For more depth, use shading techniques to bring the characters to life. For instance, add shadows under Mickey's ears or highlight Olaf's white body with a hint of light blue to give him a frosty look. Glitter and sparkles. Disney is all about sparkle. Add glitter to your pumpkins to give them a magical touch. You can highlight Elsa's crown with blue glitter or add a golden glow to Belle's gown. Got some ideas? Drop a comment below with your favorite Disney character you'd love to see on a pumpkin. How can I make my Disney pumpkins last longer? You've put in all this hard work, so naturally, you want your pumpkins to last. Here are a few tips to keep your painted pumpkins looking fresh all season long. Use a sealant. After your pumpkin is dry, apply a clear acrylic sealant. This will protect your paint from chipping and ensure that your masterpiece stays intact. Store them indoors. Keeping your pumpkins indoors or in a cool, shaded area will prevent them from rotting too quickly. Excessive heat or moisture can cause damage, so choose a spot wisely. Consider artificial pumpkins. For a pumpkin that lasts year after year, switch to artificial pumpkins. They're easy to paint and you can reuse them for future Halloweens without worrying about rot. Subscribe to the channel for more seasonal DIYs and Disney magic all year round. What are some advanced Disney pumpkin painting ideas for experienced painters? Ready to take your pumpkin painting skills to the next level? These advanced designs will challenge your creativity but result in stunning pumpkin masterpieces. Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Paint your pumpkin white and use fine detailing to create Jack's skeletal face. Use black paint to carefully outline his features, paying attention to the intricate eye sockets and mouth stitches. Cinderella's carriage. Turn a pumpkin into a beautiful carriage. Paint the pumpkin a pastel blue and add gold details with metallic paint for the wheels and accents. For the adventurous, attach small decorative wheels for a 3D effect. The Enchanted Rose from Beauty and the Beast. Paint your pumpkin with a deep red base. Then, create the Enchanted Rose with intricate petals and delicate thorns, using a darker shade of red for shadows and gold paint for the stem. If you want more Disney-inspired ideas, check out the playlist in the description. You'll find more tutorials just like this one. How can I involve the whole family in Disney pumpkin painting? Disney pumpkin painting is a fun activity for all ages. Here's how you can make it a memorable family event. Choose characters together. Let everyone pick their favorite Disney character to paint. From Mickey to Moana, the options are endless, ensuring everyone has a character they love. Set up a painting station. Create a pumpkin painting station with all the supplies laid out. Cover the area with newspapers and have snacks on hand to keep the creativity flowing. Have a friendly pumpkin contest. Make it competitive. Hold a family contest where everyone paints their pumpkin and then vote on the best design. The winner could get a small prize like a Disney-themed treat. Want to see more fun family projects? Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. What materials do I need for painting Disney pumpkins? Gathering the right materials will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Here's a list of must-haves for creating your Disney-themed pumpkins. Acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is vibrant and dries quickly, making it ideal for pumpkin painting. You'll need a variety of colors depending on your design. Paint brushes. Use fine-tip brushes for detailed work and broader brushes for larger areas. Sponge brushes are also great for creating smooth backgrounds. Extras like glitter, stickers, and foam enhance your designs with craft materials like glitter, foam, and even googly eyes to add personality and dimension to your pumpkins. Looking for the products I used in this video? Check the description below to grab everything you need to get started. And there you have it, your complete guide to creating magical Disney pumpkins this Halloween. Whether you're just starting or looking to push your artistic limits, These Disney-inspired ideas will bring fun and magic to your holiday. So grab those paintbrushes, gather your materials, and let's create something truly enchanting.